I'm going to look at how to plot a line graph on Excel. So this is the data I've got. It's the CO2 emissions for the United Kingdom, and these are the years that it's valid for. I've also got Canada, but I'm ignoring it for now. I'm going to add that in afterwards if you were looking to compare two things. So a line graph is normally to look at how something's changed over time. So your x-axis or your horizontal axis will be time, and then your y-axis will be looking at how it's changed. So first of all, we're going to do insert, and we're going to select the line graph. You can select your data first, but you don't need to. In my experience, it doesn't seem to help either way. So we're then going to click on the line, and we're going to click select data, because at the moment we can see that the graph is not looking right. Okay, so we need to change the information on the graph. So the year, you're going to select until it's highlighted blue, and then you're going to click the minus. So you're getting rid of that year, and then we need to reorganize the information here. So the y-axis should actually be the United Kingdom results. So I'm just going to highlight all of my UK. And then the horizontal, the x-axis, should actually be, so again, if I just click in here to change it, it should actually be the year here. So I can do Shift Command down. And then if I click OK, then this is now a line graph of the United Kingdom data. I would still need to add in an axis title. So I need to put in a title for the horizontal, and I need to put in a title for the vertical, which I will then need to label, and I would need to change my main kind of caption or title for the whole chart. Once you've done that, you might want to add in a second country to compare. So I'm now going to add in the Canada data. So let's just change that so that we can see it a little bit clearer. So I'm going to add in this data set. So I'm going to again click somewhere on the actual line of data, and I'm going to right click or double click and do select data. And I'm now going to add in a new series. So I've got one country. So series is like the line. I'm now going to add in a new one, and I'm going to call it under the name Canada. And then I need to write down what the Y values will be. So I'm just going to select in there, and I'm going to select and highlight all of the Canada data. I don't need to add anything into the horizontal because it's going to use the same information. It's the same years. So then I can click OK, and now my chart has got both sets of data that I can compare and look at and bring out any key things to talk about.